I really want to be able to do this job without making a mess. I always make a mess. I'm trying not to this time. Fuck's sake. Fucking hell. Rider Japan, welcome. Changing the oil on the R1 today. Just warmed the engine up, went around the block, putting this stuff in it. I used this on the FJ before, and I thought it was really good. I literally saw the effects of it as it like blew loads of like coloured smoke out the exhaust for a couple of seconds. So it definitely does something. So I bought some for the R1. You want to add it to warm oil, so I just went around the block. It's the first time I've rode this bike since November. It's like middle of March now. My God, it's a weapon compared to the FJ. Just getting used to this big fat lump of an old school air-cooled motor, and then you get on this. Fuck, it's such a weapon. Alright, what am I doing? Right, cardboard. So the bike's been so good to me. I want to repay the favour, give it some overdue maintenance, to be honest. Changing the oil, doing the coolant, and then doing the valve clearances as well. All those jobs I've never done before. I've done the coolant on a car before, never on a bike. Never done the oil on this specific bike before, and I've never done valve clearances on this bike before as well, so it's all learning adventure for me. I've never even taken a fairing off this bike before, so you might know better than me. I'm doing it all wrong, whatever, I'll get it done. We are free, except for the indicators. Right, here we go, here we go. Need to do the fairing yet. I've got to idle the engine for 10 minutes apparently, put this stuff in. So you'll warm the engine oil up, then add this, then warm it up again. So when the bin man's gone, I'll go around the block. Hey, looks pretty clean and nice. Oh, this is awkward. There we go. So while that's dripping out, I just took the bike up the road, yeah? Tyres felt soft to me. In the video where, I think it was my 4-year ownership review, I said I was totally in tune with the bike, and even if the tyres are just like a few PSI what I want them to be, I can tell just because I know what feels right. They felt totally soft to me, even after a few months not even riding a bike. I like them 250 kPa, I reckon they're like down to like 240, maybe even less. 230, even softer than I thought. But yeah, I can tell. So I don't know what kPa is in PSI. That was 20 kPa. Front's probably the same. Where is it? Okay. Just like you get the best out of it. Yeah, that's 220. Even less on this one. Yeah, they're well soft. Here's what I couldn't find when I was doing the FJ oil. I'm gonna confidently assume I can use that. I mean, crush washers, yeah? That to me looks quite badly made. It doesn't look that flat to me. It's not a nice flat surface. When I restore these, I get them perfectly flat. I anneal them so the metal's as soft as it can be. I literally think my repaired ones are better than what you buy new. So, considering how much they charge for them, it's a crappy bit of copper at the end of the day. Way overpriced. Screwing in, no worries, mate. Like that. Okay, snug that up. Just want to feel that washer squash a little bit. Yamaha oil filter. What I did, found out the part number for the R1, and then I googled the part code. It took me to a website for boating, marine applications. So I got it cheaper because I wasn't buying it for a motorbike, I was buying exactly the same thing, but for a marine boat outboard engine. Cost less. I did the same with my FJ. It's a trick I learned for getting bolts for the engine. The exact same things are used in boats. They're cheaper. I put 5W40 40 Castrol Power Ultimate Oil in. If you think I should be putting something different in, I don't care, keep it to yourself. Every video about oil changes. The comment box turns into a forum, people disagreeing with each other about what you should put in.